If you're looking to have 2025 a great year financially for you and you need a lending institution that will open up the floodgates for funding, whether it's personal, business, anything like that, then I have the perfect credit union for you, all right? Langley Federal Credit Union. Some even say this might even put Navy Federal out of business because of how dope they are coming. And I'm gonna give you all the information you need so you can be successful with them. So go ahead. Go get your pen and paper and make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any information, all right? And without further ado, let's dive in. And before we get started, ladies and gents, I'd just like to ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps my channel out a ton. I truly appreciate all your support. I'm trying to help everybody out there get into Langley Federal Credit Union and utilize all their credit products, all right? Now, enough rambling, let's actually get into the credit union itself. So here's what I'm gonna do for you, ladies and gents. I'm gonna share all the data points, the tips, the tricks, the whole full guide, the whole enchilada about Langley Federal Credit Union, everything you need to know. So with that being said, one of my subscribers, shout out to you, Michael, aka Mike, told me about this credit union and said I really need to check it out. I've heard about it before, but I never actually dug deep into it. I can confirm that they're very generous when it comes to their approvals and how they actually approve people. So first off, disclaimer, I just want to say right now, Langley is not friendly when it comes to people having negatives on their credit report, such as late payments, charge-offs, derogatories, or even being in check systems, okay? So if you are in any of these situations, focus on removing those items before you start applying, okay? Trust me, this credit union is not going anywhere. Clean it up. So the best way to get all the information is to start in the beginning. Now, when it comes to the membership of getting in Langley, he told me that they do a hard pull when applying. So I just wanted to make sure that was accurate. So when I spoke to a representative of Langley, they told me they don't do that anymore. They told me that Langley is non-geo restricted, meaning that they will only soft pull your credit when applying. And the only thing that you really have to do to join them is to open an account with as little as $5. Go ahead and open you a savings account and put a little $5 in there. Now, for everything that I just said, however, make sure you do your due diligence and you do your homework, because everybody's experience can vary, okay? Some people might still encounter that hard pull upon getting the membership, depending on your timing, specific, if you do it online, in person, on the phone, anything of that nature. All circumstances can be different. So I always want you to fact check everything I say, because I don't want you in my comment section saying I'm a scam. Just double check before you actually apply, okay? Now, since we got the membership out of the way, let's talk a little bit about the data points. Langley does pull from Equifax. So when you apply for credit products, everything will be Equifax, okay? And they also check, again, your check systems. If you had any issues with any prior bank accounts, any lenders or anything like that, you need to get that resolved before applying. I know I said that before, but you have to do this because they are going to check system. And if they flag you down, you might as well just call it quits, because they're not gonna help you out at all, okay? So once you got the check systems out of the way, now when we get in, whether you got hard pulled or not, understand, even if you did, that hard pull is good for 30 days. Yes, Langley does the double dipping policy. With a single hard pull, you can apply for multiple credit products with just one hard pull, okay? Now, let me give you an example. If you apply for a credit card today and you apply for an auto loan tomorrow or within 30 days, Langley will still use that same inquiry for both applications, okay? Double dipping policy. Now, in terms of the credit score requirements, their range is kind of broad. The representative really didn't give me a lot of information. They stated that while you can get approved with a mid 600, I just don't want to believe that, just because of the economy that we're in right now. Please understand to have a 650 or higher so you can appear way more credit mature when you go apply for these credit products, okay? I just take that for face value. It's just my opinion, because this will improve your chances of approval and potentially securing better terms. Does that make sense? Now, since we got the credit score out of the way, let's go ahead and go into some of their credit products, okay? And let's start off with the loans. Langley does offer a variety of loan products. Their personal loan, as of right now, goes up to a maximum of $40,000 with a low APR rate of 14.99%. And if you've been really paying attention to your finances, to other lenders and things like that, 14.99% is relatively low. And it does not stop there. These loans are same day funding and the terms can go up to 96 months. That's one of the longest terms I've ever seen when it came to a personal loan. I don't know, you've probably seen something way farther than that. I haven't, but that's extremely long. And I have another one for you. If you look right here, it states that the qualifications are very minimal. Langley says they may only ask for proof of income or address in certain cases. So they're not going to be asking for your blood type and all this other type of stuff. So it's very minimal. So that's kind of like a breath of fresh air. Now, since we got all of the personal information out of the way as far as the loan, let's talk about their line of credit, which they have the extra line of credit. And with this line of credit, again, this one does go up to $40,000. And even with the other loans itself, if you're looking to boost your credit report, Langley even has a secured savings loan, similar to the pledge loan what Navy Federal has, right? And according to the representative, there is no hard pull for this product and the limit goes to as much as you want. So I'm guessing maybe $100,000 or something of that nature, maybe a little more. I don't know. That's what she told me. You want to fact check me, but hopefully you're not trying to put $500,000 in security. I don't know. That's what she told me. Just try to do your due diligence. If you're trying to make a $500,000 secure savings loan, be my guest. Let me know in the comment section if it works. Also, guys, since we're on the topic of building your credit, if you have any late payments, charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, the list goes on and on, really affecting your credit profile, then you have to get them off. And if you're having trouble getting them off, then what I want you to do is sign up for the How to Credit Restoration Program, where I'm helping all of my clients remove all of their negatives without them lifting a finger. What I do for you actually is I consult you on the negative side as well as the positive side to make sure that your profile is going to reflect the score that I'm going to give you, okay? So with all that being said, you actually have the convenience of not having to worry about sending out letters, making sure if the factual disputing is right. I do all that for you, okay? So what you can do right now is click the link in my bio and sign up for a free 15-minute consultation with me. Sign up is free so we can see if you're eligible for the actual program so we can get those negatives removed so you can get all of these Amexes, Chases, the list goes on, and the world is your oyster, all right? But enough about that. Let's get back to the video. Now, so they have the loans, they have the secured loans, and they also have a line of credit. So let's go ahead and talk about their credit cards, the creme de la creme, what everybody's always looking for. They have a multitude of credit cards, but let's get into the first one, which is the Platinum Select Visa credit card, okay? And with this one, it has no annual fee, which is a plus. And as in the making of this video, the APR rate is 11.25%. And I don't know if you've noticed that Langley kind of has a pattern of having relatively lower APR rates than everybody else. So it's really on the up and up. Even though they only pull from Equifax and their maximum only goes up to $40,000, but having that low APR rate is awesome. But like I stated, I know you're not going to have to worry about that on the credit card because I know you're going to pay everything off at the end of the month, right? Let's keep going. Now, with the second credit card that they have is the Signature Cashback Visa. I think this one is probably the best one because it has way more benefits, with the offers being a 3% cash back on gas, 2% cash back on groceries, and 1% cash back on everything else. And with this awesome cash back, you still get no annual fee. So in my opinion, this is the best one. But I know we have another credit card to go over. It's just in my opinion, that's the best one. So let's go ahead and get into the last one, and then you can decipher for yourself which one is the best, which is the Platinum Quint Visa credit card, okay? And this is a straightforward card with no annual fee, and it just has, 1% cash back on purchases, So again, $40,000 for all of them, kind of mid, but again, I feel like the second one is better. With all the credit cards that I've given you, I want to give you some data points that hit closer to home to kind of help you out in this process of when you actually pull the trigger. Michael, our subscriber, applied for the Platinum Select Visa with a 660 credit score at the time and got approved for $14,000. Okay, he did have 2 inquiries on Equifax, so that goes to show that I don't think Langley is very inquiry sensitive, unlike a Navy Federal or a Penn Fed or anything like that. I don't think they're inquiry sensitive. Just don't have a wild amount on Equifax or anything like that. But a $14,000 limit is good. Relatively speaking, that the maximum is 40,000. The only thing I couldn't figure out, which I forgot to ask the representative about, is if they have any secured credit cards to pair with the credit builder loans that they have and the secure savings loan that they have. I didn't get a chance to ask her, and Michael doesn't have it, and I didn't see anything on the website. So if they do have it, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll pin your comment so others can see it, because I wasn't 100% sure if they had a secure credit card or not. So just please fact check me on that. So overall, Langley Federal Credit Union deserves a spot on your list of credit unions to apply for in the year 2025. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna help you a lot. You're allowed to double dip. Everything across the board goes to $40,000. Of course, the auto loans probably go to $100,000. They're not inquiry sensitive. They have a credit builder loan and a secure savings loan similar to Navy Federal. What more can you ask for? And non-geo restricted. I forgot to say that, of course. So I definitely think that you should apply for this and start building your internal points with them. But I'm curious to know what you guys think. Do you already have an account with Langley Federal Credit Union? Do you already have any credit products? Let us know your data points down below so we can all experience and we can all utilize this so we can get approved just like you, all right? I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go apply for Langley, all right? And until next time, ladies and gents.